Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 54,979 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. Thank you. All right. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number on the bottom that you're seeing, 88,481, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 54,979. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the United States, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.